5 Best Electric Planers. Here is the product number 5. Wall Chaser Electric Wall Planer Home Decoration Tools. Max planing depth 4 mm. Is _ customized. Yes. Max planing width 150 mm. Rated voltage: 220V. Frequency: 50/60 Hz. DIY supplies: tiling. No load speed X. Dimension Z. Weight 6 kg. Rated input power: 1200W. Model number BX. Here is the product number 4. Electric rechargeable handheld Fishscale kitchen scale fish tool. Brand name Fishscale. DIY supplies: electrical. Dimensions: Fishscale. Max planing depth: Fishscale. Weight: Fishscale. Model number: 0. Max planing width: Fishscale. Is _ customized. Yes. Power source: AC. Rated input power: 96W. Rated voltage: 110/220. Frequency: 50/60 Hz. No load speed: 5000 revolutions per minute. Here is the product number 3. High-end portable multifunctional aluminum electric planer. Material: aluminum. Idling speed: 0.1600 per minute. Rated voltage: 220 volts. Rated power: 1000 watts. Power supply: alternating current. Features: all parts are by ion paint, uniform color, time will never fall off. Packing carton. Before the operation must see: 1. At the beginning of the planing, wood planer reached the maximum speed, then contact the wood. 2. In the process of planing, to avoid a deep too much, need to carry out a number of Here is the product number 2. AC 100 volts to 240 volts powerful electric fish skin scaler. 100% brand new Fishscale home, camp or fish processing factory used to remove fish scale batteries. Work, built-in rechargeable lithium battery 1500 mAh, can work 1-2 hours continuously. Transparent protective cover to prevent fish scaler splash. 100% waterproof, IP7, can be fully submersible stainless steel roller blades to finish a fish in seconds. Convenient to use near water or tap. Powerful engine and high torque. Easy to clean. Color, the same as the picture. Contents of packaging: 1x scale electric fish, 1x charger adapter. Here is the product number 1. Powerful electric fish scaler skin deslagger scale scraper blade. 100% brand new Fishscale home, camp or fish processing factory used to remove fish scale batteries. Work, built-in rechargeable lithium battery 1500 mAh. Can work 1-2 hours continuously. Transparent protective cover to prevent fish scaler splash. 100% waterproof, IP7. Can be fully submersible stainless steel roller blades to finish a fish in seconds. Convenient to use near water or tap. Powerful engine and high torque. Easy to clean. Color, the same as the picture. The product is divided into two: 1 for the charging paragraph, blue, 1 for the plug paragraph. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.